Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Martin with Belvoir Auto Spa, and in this video we're going to be testing out 3D's Headlight Restorer Polish compound. This is something that caught me by surprise from their glow line. I didn't expect to see a dedicated headlight product, but you know, here it is. I don't know the composition of it. I don't know if it's just a compound or a polish. I've got all of 3D's ACA compounds, as well as 3D1, 3D Speed. Usually I'd use those to polish up headlights. They do a decent job. But this seems to be dedicated for headlights, so let's see if it's any different than using a cutting compound or something. So it's supposed to remove heavy oxidation and light surface scratches, yada yada yada. And it doesn't say anything about like leaving it or sealant or anything like that. So I'm going to shake it up real quick. I've got on this Explorer, this Ford Explorer, I've got some pretty yellowed headlights. They're not that bad, so they don't really need to be sanded. So we're going to see how this works if we do it by hand, and then how it does with a polisher. So let's get over there. Let's take a look at it, see how it does. See if this product is worth your money. All right, so here is our headlight lens. You can see it's decently hazy, yada yada. So I'm going to take some of the compound. Stuff doesn't want to come out. I opened it, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, I did open it. Oh yeah, it does help if you pop the lid up, huh? Take this compound out and see how it does by hand. Now, a nicer vehicle, you're going to want to tape off the edges. This is not a nicer vehicle, so I don't really care. You can see it does look like it's making an improvement. There is some crap coming off on the microfiber. See, it's pulling off all that oxidation. So it's doing a good job, so let's keep going. Switch to another section. All right, got some more off there. So take this tape off, and yeah, you can definitely see an improvement from here to here. So pretty good. So next I'm going to grab my polisher. I'm going to machine polish it and see what difference we can make with that. All right, so I got a microfiber cutting disc on here. This is my SPTA mini polisher version 2. And since this is microfiber, you do want to prime up the fibers. You don't want to put it all in one area. I'm all nicely coated. Some more on there. And go to town. Start on low speed and work your way to a speed you're comfortable with. This will be a lot faster than doing it by hand, I can guarantee you that. And I'm not pushing down hard or anything and putting the polish to do the work, just holding it up here. All right, see the microfiber slightly discolored here. Let's wipe off all the polish. And is it perfect? No, this headlight is pretty bad in some respects. The surface is nice and smooth though, but it's got a lot of stuff underneath that you can't really get out, but looks pretty good. Now if we look at this compared to this one over here, definitely see an improvement. Maybe if we step back, I don't know if the camera's going to pick it up, but the left one definitely is more clear than the right one. So not bad, pretty good stuff. Is it better than a compound? Well, it seems that it does work good by hand, which is nice. By machine, it doesn't seem like it makes that big of a difference, but it is what it is. Anyways, let's go in for our final thoughts. Alright, so 3D headlight polish, pretty good, honestly. Not a bad product, considering the glow line looks like it's targeted at consumers, not professionals. I think this will be a good product to pick up if you don't have a machine polisher and you want to put in some elbow grease to make your headlights nice and shiny again. It's not going to make them perfect. It really just depends on if it's just surface level or if it's deeper. These headlights, it's a lot deeper than surface level, but I got a lot of that surface level stuff off, so pretty good in that respect. But yeah, overall pretty good product. So they did good with this one. It just looks like they just fine-tuned their abrasives to pull oxidation off headlights without being too aggressive. So pretty good. There'll be links to everything in the description below. So give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments if you found it helpful or what your thoughts are. Let me know if there's any other dedicated headlight restoration products out there and I can take a look at them. But other than that, I appreciate you all watching. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Keep them clean. Have a good one. I'll see you in the next video.